Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. So I was about to start getting ready for work and I was like, why not film a 8-hour shift makeup tutorial? I'm just gonna call it 8-hour shift because usually people go to work, it's most likely gonna be 8-hour shift if you're working customer service or they're way too long. But yes, this is super easy. This could be like an everyday makeup tutorial. This is like what I do when I go to work, just super easy makeup, super quick. Nothing too dramatic. This is for those who may want to wear makeup to work but don't want to look like they have a whole face on. This is what I would do and would recommend for you guys if you guys would like to try it. So yeah, I want to keep this intro short, and before we start this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn on that notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Doing my makeup for work and I was like, pause, why not film a tutorial on like a 8-hour shift makeup tutorial? I understand not everyone likes their makeup to work, but I am one of those girls who like to wear makeup, so by all means, if you don't wear makeup to work, do you, boo, keep doing you. But I just wanted to share with you guys on like what products I use and how much makeup I wear to work. So to start this tutorial, I'm going to moisturize my lips and I'm going to use my Smith's Minted Rose Lip Balm. I love moisturizing my lips before anything because while I do my makeup, it's just going to sit there and moisturize and not get crusty. These ears are like a little much, but I need some color in my life, so I'm gonna wear them, okay? So to prime my face, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Okay, so for this tutorial, usually for work, I don't like to wear foundation. I just like to go in with concealer. I'm taking my Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Pine Nut, and I kind of just put it all over my face to act as a foundation, but not too much where it's like super full coverage and thick, just to give me some like coverage around here on my cheeks, you know. Okay, I'm looking a little crazy right now, but don't worry, it's just the base, just the base. So now to conceal under my eyes, I like to use my Tarte Shape Tape and my Makeup Revolution concealer. Again, I am in the shade Light Medium in the Tarte Shape Tape and the shade C7 for the Makeup Revolution one. And I don't use too much concealer when it comes to the Tarte one because it does get super heavy, so I just like to do like 3 little lines. And then this one isn't as brightening, which is why I have the Makeup Revolution one. And then I just do like 3 more lines. Then I'll put some here. Okay, I usually don't do this. Why am I doing this? Oh well. See, when I do tutorials, I get carried away and do more than I should. But just know, I usually go like lightweight. So if I do too much, don't judge me. Okay, so now to set under my eyes, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier powder. I cannot do a makeup look, any type of makeup look, without this powder. Like recently, it's just been doing so good for me, so I'm like, how am I not gonna use it? So if I do use it, like for a work day, I won't use as much as I would as like a full glam. So yes, I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder to set under my eyes. I like to beauty blend it a little more just to make sure there's no creasing going on. And then no matter what type of makeup look it is, I've been liking to use a lot more powder on my nose because I've been getting super oily. So again, go into Laura Mercier powder. Laura Mercier powder with my beauty blender and just to let it like bake on my nose for a little bit. Now to set my face a little bit, not too much, I'm going to use my ColourPop Sheer Press powder in the shade Medium using my e.l.f. complexion brush. Not too much, just to give it like an even base. And dust it off the nose. Now to give myself some color, I'm going in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer using my Real Techniques multitask brush. And this isn't gonna be like a super This isn't gonna be a super harsh contour, just to give myself some color. And then for my cheeks, I'm using this contour brush by I think Crown Cosmetics. And now for blush, of course, my favorite blush is MAC Melba, and I'm taking my Urban Studio Stippling 204 brush to apply that blush. Wow, that rhymed. And then I'm taking my Sonia Kashuk number 115 brush just to make sure everything is blended. There's no harsh lines, no harsh bronzer lines, no harsh blush clumps. Just make everything look natural. Now, no matter what, I always like to look glowy. So I'm taking my Anastasia MariiiBajariii highlight, What Is New, and I'm taking my Morphe M310 brush. I always get compliments saying, oh my gosh, your skin looks so healthy and glowy. I'm like, girl, MariiiBajariii did it. Obviously, I'm not gonna go ham, just a little bit of settle glow. And since I get a little like oily on my nose, I'm just gonna barely add some highlight. I'm also going to take this flat-ended brush by Coastal Scents and a little bit of that MariiiBajariii highlight to highlight my brow bone. So before I put on mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face because I feel like after mascara, I kind of like, I don't know, maybe it's just me, but one time I did setting spray after mascara and I got it like everywhere. So I don't like to risk that if I'm going to work and I'm on a time limit, so no time for mistakes. I gotta set this face right now. And taking it back, I'm using my MariiiBajariii Rose Water Spray to set my face. Alright, now for the eyes, nothing too dramatic. All we're gonna do is put on some mascara, and I'm using my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and this curler. Okay, so now for the lips, I am taking my e.l.f. dark brown lip liner just to give my lips some color. But let me wipe off this lip balm really quick. This is literally like my go-to lip combo. If I have a lipstick on, this is most likely the lip combo I have. So I just put on the e.l.f. dark brown lip liner, and on top I'm going to put my NYX lip cream in Abu Dhabi. Just dab a little bit of that on. Alright guys, so this is the finished quick easy AF makeup look for an 8-hour shift. So I don't know if this interested you guys, but I thought why not film it because it's super easy, and some people might want to wear makeup to work but are afraid because they don't want to look like they have too much on. So I just wanted to film on what I do for my makeup because sometimes I get questions on like what foundation I'm wearing or what certain products or what type of products I use for my face and how I don't like sweat it off at work because sometimes it can get a little hot, especially on an 8-hour shift and if you're working customer service. And yeah, I don't know what else to say, but this is super easy and super quick. I just wanted to film this quick tutorial before I head to work right about now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you would like to see in the future. Please subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to my and Angel's channel, which is M&A Forever Ever. Also, when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the little notification bell down below so you're notified every single time that I post. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!
We dancing, dancing,